Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie, and today I have for you this look right here. If you guys want to see how I came up with it, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so as you can see, my eyebrows are done. I filled them in. I use this palette right here. This is the BH Studio Pro Ultimate Brow Palette, and I really love this palette, you guys. Like, no joke. I don't know if I've shown this to you guys, or maybe I have. It's so dirty. Oh my god, it's like all over my hands right now, but this is what it looks like. It's like a little book, as you can see. It kind of reminds me of the Anastasia of Beverly Hills one, a little bit similar, just kind of, you know, and very good for the price. I really like it. So if you guys are looking for a brow palette, definitely check this out. It's really good and very inexpensive. Also, to clean up my brows, I use this concealer. This is from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me concealer, and this is in the shade 25. And also, just so you guys can see, this is a BH Cosmetics brush right here. This is what I use to clean up my brows, actually, this right here. And then this is also a BH Cosmetics brush, and I use this to clean and just blend out the concealer, and then blend it on my lid, just like that. And that is pretty much it for what I do with my brows. Alright, so now moving on to the eyes. Today I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill. Oh my god, it's like a glare. With the Jaclyn Hill palette right here. And I really like this palette, you guys. Look at these colors. I'm sure you guys have seen this. It's like everywhere. So I don't know what I'm going for, but what else is new? You know, I never know what I'm doing. But I am going to grab a blending brush, and for the first shade, I'm going to go in with this one right here, the first one on the second row right here. And I'm going to use that with a blending brush, and this is a MAC 224, and I'm just going to apply that right on to the crease as a transition shade. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. It kind of reminds me of ketchup, so we're going to go in with that shade right there. And I'm going to apply that right here. Alright, so now for the next shade, I'm going to go in with this one right underneath that shade that looks like ketchup. And I'm going to apply this on the outer corner. I'm going to go back in with that shade right here, the one we started. Go in with that blending brush and just blend that out. Now I'm going to go back in with that concealer that I used to clean up my brows, and my Morphe M421 brush. I'm going to grab a little bit of that, and I'm just going to cut the crease. Alright, so for the first shade, I'm going to go in with this one right here, and I'm going to apply that with a MAC 242 brush, and I'm just going to apply that first in the middle. And now I'm going to go in with this shade right here, this one. And I'm going to apply that on the inner part of the eyelid. I'm going to go in with that middle shade one more time. For lashes, I'm going to go in with the Kiss lashes, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so as you can see, I finished applying my lashes. Now I'm going to go in with primer, and today I'm going to go in with this one right here. This is the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Perfecting Primer. This is supposed to minimize lines and pores for a smooth finish. Alright, so for foundation, I'm going to go in with this one. This is the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-Hour Breathable Longwear Foundation. High definition finish, medium coverage, and I'm in the shade 400. Alright, so now for concealer, I'm going to go in with this one from LA Girl. This is in the shade Natural. I also added a little bit of medium beige to that. To contour my face, I'm going to go in with this one from LA Girl, and this is in the shade Toast. Alright, to blend this out, I'm going to grab my Real Techniques brush. To blend out my nose, I'm going to go in with this brush right here. It's a nice blending brush. This is actually the one I use to blend out the brows and the eyelids. I'm also going to grab my sponge and just blend that out. I'm going to go in and set my under eye with my RCMA powder, and I'm grabbing my tapered highlighter brush from Sigma. And for bronzer today, I'm going to go in with this one from NYX. This is a matte bronzer, and this is in the shade Medium, and it's broken. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to go back into the eyes, back with that palette. I'm going to grab a little bit of that ketchup shade right here and apply that on the lower lash line with a Sigma pencil brush. I'm also going to grab a little bit of this darker shade right here and go over that other shade that we just laid down. I'm grabbing this brush right here. It's just another pencil brush, but it's a little bit more of a blending pencil brush. So I'm gonna grab the shade right here, and I'm just going to blend that all over those two shades that I just applied on the lower lash line. I'm gonna grab this Sigma Shader Inner Corner brush, and I'm gonna go in with this shade that I applied onto the inner corner, and I'm going to apply that onto the brow bone. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes. I'm also going to go in with a little bit of highlighter. This is the Glow Kit, the, what is it, the Sun Dipped Glow Kit from Anastasia. And I'm going to grab Moonstone. Ooh, I think I went a little too heavy, but you know what? That's okay. I want to pick up new lipsticks, but for today I'm going to go in with this one from Maybelline, and this is in the shade Burgundy Blush. It's this nice dark shade right here, perfect for fall. So I'm going to grab a lip liner and apply these. Alright, so for lip liner, I'm going to grab this one from Jordana. This is in the shade Cabernet. And now going in with the lipstick. And to finish off the look, I'm going to go in with the Never Touch Up Matte Finish Setting Spray from Ruby Kisses. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you guys have any ideas for me, then leave them down below. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!
That's good.